Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to clear coat a sculpture.
Made out of fiberglass, we believe, maybe resin. It doesn't matter because this clear coat is going to cover all kinds of paint and surface. We just want to get rid of the dust.
And you brush it real good. All the dust comes off.
Then you use high pressure air, right? The air blower, and just kind of have a good eye for it. Pay good attention to the gaps, and either way it's gonna look beautiful. Very nice and glossy. It's gonna be protected from the UV light. It is nice and glossy. This is maybe like a couple coats. It's very thin.
Pay good attention to the gaps, and either way it's gonna look beautiful. Very nice. It's not just going to look nice and glossy, but it's gonna protect it from the sunlight and time. Let's get to work.